Ngwatanĩro ya ũtĩa wa ũrĩmi nthĩinĩ ya Kenya nĩrutĩte mũkana kĩrĩ AKENYA igũrũ rĩa nyama cia ntigiri kana mpunda iria makuga nĩciĩthĩrĩtwe ikĩthĩnjagwo na nkinyagia kwenderwa AKENYA matikumenya antu rĩu nĩ maũrĩtio methagĩrwo makĩgũra nyama kĩrĩ muntu ũrĩa makumenya kana muntu ũrĩa makumenya kũrĩa arutaga ndithia ciawe na ngoroki methagĩrwo makĩgũra nyama iria iringĩtwe mũri wa ndagĩtarĩ kuonania nyama ĩno nĩ ndime Rita Mwanike Muciri atarĩrie.
Kuri na uvotekekanu wa andu ni marenderwa nyama cia mbunda matekumenya. Ino ni kuringana na muungano wa kurwira ivoto cia mbunda niguo KENDAT na uria umenyete ati kuri na mbunda iraewa na kuthinjirwa ithakari na vuvali ucio ikarikiriria thani ire cia andu.
Today we have been experiencing some people slaughtering donkeys in the bush and selling the meat to unsuspecting customers, and also the skins are also being sold somewhere else. We have donkeys that have been transported from Kitui, others have been transported from Bomet, and all those donkeys are being brought to Kiambu County, a place called Nyama. And this is where those criminals are actually slaughtering the donkeys, and selling the meat is actually being sold to people who do not know that they are consuming donkey meat.
Guku ruvonge ruru rwa KENDAT rukiuragia ruvonge rwa ugitiri gukorwa metho makiria ni gukugwata AKENYA.
That because of the numbers that are being slaughtered, this meat might be going quite far from the place where it is being slaughtered. It couldn't even be reaching to towns that are within a radius of 100 kilometers within the eastern Kenya from Kiambu. We have been working very closely with the authorities, and we have talked to the government authorities, those who are concerned with public health, those who are concerned with the slaughtering of animals, to just know that this is happening, and for them to stop people who are slaughtering donkeys and selling the meat to other people.
Ekari a kaunti ngurani nao magitaragwo gukorwa mari metho makiria kuona kuria nyama itari nthime no gutambie mirimu ngurani.
Anto ni bakuria nyama ite inspected ni inspector na anto ni barwarite muno tanaria embu anto ni barwarite anthrax kogu anto ni babatie kwetho very vigilant na nyama iria bakuria na ukona ntigiri nkamate nyingi amwe kana igekirwa lori ni ubatie kuringa namba ya thimu ya polisi kana ya sibo ukamwala tukamwira kwebuona na utekona taka ogu kwewega ni ntigiri terethagwa nyingi amwe.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Muciri.